The 8A program after Ultima Services, why your social disadvantage narrative now matters more than ever. If you're pursuing an 8A certification, the single most important document you will write is your social disadvantage narrative, and recent litigation is exactly why. We want you to get it right the first time. Here's the background. The 8A Business Development Program helps businesses that are at least 51% owned and controlled by individuals who are both socially and economically disadvantaged. For decades, members of certain racial and ethnic groups received a rebuttable presumption of social disadvantage. In Ultima Services Corp versus U.S. Department of Agriculture, a plaintiff challenged the constitutionality of that presumption. As a result, the landscape shifted. Applicants can no longer simply rely on group membership and must establish individual social disadvantage. So what does the SBA actually require in an individual narrative? Under its regulations, you must present facts and evidence that by themselves establish that you personally suffered social disadvantage that negatively affected your entry into or advancement in the business world. 3 elements matter. First, each incident must reflect real bias or discriminatory conduct. Second, each incident must be tied to a concrete negative impact. A lost opportunity, lost financing, a lost contract, not just an offensive remark. Third, taken together, the incidents must show chronic and substantial disadvantage, not a single isolated event. The SBA will discount claims that are inconsistent with the rest of your record, and it will disregard an incident when a legitimate, non-discriminatory explanation exists and you have not shown why bias is the more likely cause. Here is your takeaway. Treat your narrative like evidence, not an autobiography. For every incident, document who, what, when, and most importantly, the business consequence that followed. Keep dates, correspondence, and financial records that collaborate each account. Vague, conclusory statements are exactly what the SBA rejects. Drafting a persuasive, regulation-compliant narrative is a legal skill, and the stakes could not be higher for your firm's future. At Whitcomb Selinsky PC, we help small businesses build 8A applications that meet SBA's individualized standard. Let's make your narrative the strongest part of your application. I'm Joe Whitcomb, founder and president of Whitcomb Selinsky PC. I look forward to hearing from you.